I literally just woke up. Be a mess, but you know what? I accept it. We got Agust D Part 2, People Part 2 featuring IU. When two iconic people collab together, it's always usually gonna come out with some immaculate quality, and that's what I expect. Agust D People Part 2 featuring IU. Let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Play my intro. Sorry y'all, I was playing a scary game on Twitch called Mortuary Assistant. That shit got me too good. Miss Dorothy.
These old windows never stay latched.
You guys didn't know I do stream on Twitch. I am going to be streaming today around 5 p.m. PST, K-pop and chill, where I check out a bunch of K-pop that you guys recommend or request per dono. Come through if you can. But without further ado, Agust D, People Part 2 featuring IU. Let's get it, let's go, let's begin. Don't know why I did that. Boom. I love that. Such ear-pleasing sounds. Whose chair? Yoongi's? Look at that hand. Got vascular? Is that what it's called? Vascular?
So time is here, now right and go. I know you know anything. Just know.
Wait, hold up.
So time is here, now right and go.
Let's go, Yoongi. I use voice with this type of beat. Ooh. Well, I just feel like old school BTS too, actually. The way it just started. I don't know. Oh my god, hold up.
So time is here, now right and go. I know you know anything. Just know. So time is here, now right and go.
Right here to go.
Nobody
Knows anymore.
know
Nobody doesn't know anymore. What is love? Aw. Ooh, let me run that back. Since he is rapping and you know lyrics do matter in raps, or in just a general in songs, let me just like I want a sincere connection with others. Forever something like a sandcastle, you know. Alright, let me just run this whole thing through and then come back to the lyrics. Woo! Okay, you need to sing it. Alright, bet, actually. Let's go. Oh, yo, put them ankles away. Those are too sexy. What? Ooh, with IU in the background. Oh! Bro, this is the type of music that you like, end of the day maybe, pour yourself a cup of wine, just chill and pretend that you have a montage just like how Yoongi is. This is a vibe. Play this at a cafe? Hell yeah. A little backtrack too, like the vocal with him. I can't wait for this album, bro. I want more singing Yoongi. Oh, he has like Johnny Cash guitar. You know why I also like this? It reminds me of Tablo's album too, like Epic High feel. Type of vibe. I mean, Yoongi's been doing this since his last mixtapes and albums, but it's a good like. It's very refreshing. Ooh. Oh, bro, it reminds me of like old BTS too.
사랑은 사랑으로 완벽할까 그래 말야 이타적인 게 어쩌면 되려 이기적이네 널 위해 한다는 말은 곧 내 욕심에 기에 욕심을 버리면 행복해지고 채우지 못한 반쪽짜리 허사
Bro, catch me at the concert or hey, literally. Nah, I'm gonna bring my light stick. I'm gonna bring. Ooh, the contrast. Ooh. But IU just comes in. Literally, okay, we in the stew. That's his own studio, I can tell. Where is this? Is this his home? He would not film at his home, would he? That's damn, that's a nice ass patio. Dreams. It's done? No, it's not done. I need more.
뭐 사람들한테 전달하고 싶은 이야기도 있지만 나 자신한테 이야기를 하는 것처럼 들린다라는 이야기를 많이 들었거든요. 사실이기도 하고 그때 당시에 코로나로
This is also a pandemic song.
없을 때 굉장히 모든 것을 잃어버렸다라고
I mean, yeah.
했을 때 썼던 곡이기 때문에 나 자신한테 되게 해주고 싶었던
What I wanted to tell myself.
이야기였어요.
Wow, bro. That's so Yoongi to explain the the song at the end of the song, which I love. Actually, that actually helps a lot of people too. I do want a quick shout out to Jasmine. We were gushing over Yoongi and how much. Well, her bias is Suga Yoongi Augusti, and she's been like waiting for this. We had like dinner, me, Hejin, and two other friends. And shout out to Jasmine if you ever watch this. I hope you're happy. Cause this is fire. This is a vibe. This is a motherfucking vibe. I don't know if you guys know, like when I say like it reminds me of Epic High music. But if you do understand, let's go. You listen to Augusti and Epic High, you're immaculate. I think it's called love. Wasn't loved enough as a kid, that's why I'm cautious. Yoongi is also the type of person or rapper that I have to like look at the lyrics and then think about my own life.
상실은 무엇 때문에 슬픈 걸까 사실은 두려운 게 슬픈 거야 So far away you're gone Getting far away
Okay, glistening, brushing that teeth. He always brushing his teeth. You know what? Where's that? I had a picture of Yoongi brushing his teeth. I don't know where I put it. Doggy. Hey. This is such a rainy day song too. I wonder how long he had this in the vault. I mean, obviously, probably during COVID-19, like the pandemic era. What makes you so sad?
함께 미래 그리던 우리는 없고 쌓은 모든 성들을 부셔버린 것은 우린 거야 승패가 없는 게임이라지만 난 언제나 게임 loser 모든 걸 주겠다던 우린 모든 것을 부셔 그리고 떠나지 사랑이던 사람이든 모두가 이기적이기
Because both love and people are selfish. Damn. Oh,
때문이야
the dog. Ooh.
Getting far away
Yeah, he needed to sing more. I mean, obviously his last like album he did, and I loved it. But you know when you like haven't heard anything new from an artist for a while, and then he comes back, and then you're like, whoa, fall right back in love. Ooh, okay, are you? This is his life. This is his love. Literally music. Why do I always feel like when Yoongi raps, I always hear like maybe RM's gonna pop up like Saddam, Like,
무엇일까? 수많은 사람 스쳐간 사랑 사랑은 사랑으로 완벽할까? 그래 말야 이타적인 게 어쩌면 되려 이기적이네. 널 위해 한다는 말은 곧 내 욕심이기에 욕심을 버리면 행복해지고 채우지 못한 반쪽짜리 허상. 삶은 저항과 복종 사이의 싸움이라는데 내가 보기에는 외로움들과의 싸움이네. 눈물이 터져 나오면 그대 울어도 돼. 당신은 사랑받기에도 이미 충분한
oh yeah, you're more than enough to be loved. Oh damn, this is like self-love, like figuring out your self-love in the pandemic. Where'd you get that outfit though? Your skin is glowing, goddamn. Look at that. What's your skincare? We'll help you out. Oh. Comments down below what you guys think of Agust, the People Part 2 featuring IU. I actually really like it. It's definitely probably gonna go on the playlist. Definitely for drives, or if you just want to chill, study. It's you can put this as a like studying music, cafe music. Definitely background music too, and when you want to listen to some like dope music, car music, rain music, you know, that type of vibe. Yoongi is kind of interesting because I was talking to my friend and I was like, I wonder if we're gonna get like the hard rapping Yoongi, the soft, like, you know, rapping Yoongi, which we got here, or singing. We were talking about we would love to hear him sing more, of course, and he did here too. So all the check marks, yo. All the check marks for what I want from an Agust D album, you know. Guys, put in the comments down below what you guys think of Agust D People Part 2 featuring IU. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to share this video. And guys, we're gonna be live on Twitch at 5 p.m. PST, K-pop and chill. Come through and join. It's a good time. I always like having fun with my viewers in chat. It's a better way to interact if you want to talk about K-pop, anime, just anything in general. Also follow the Discord if you haven't already. Alright, y'all. Have a blessed one, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.